According to the National Oceanographic and Atmospheric Administration, 80% of the marine pollution comes from the land-based resources. The issue, however, is not limited to coastal environment. Lakes, rivers, and water tables are affected on a large scale by pollution that comes from agriculture, industry, wheels, emission, and products used at home every day. Runoff from soils and even pollutants in the air can settle in waterway, creating unsafe conditions of people and wildlife. Pollutants have many ways of making it on to the water supply. Some of the most common sources or causes of water pollution in the nation are detailed in the nation. Agriculture represents one of the biggest sources of water pollution in the country. Industrial agriculture operations tend to release large amount of water and waste from crop productions and livestock, causing both water hostage and harmful pollution in nearby areas. The major cause of such pollution include nutrients. The USA Environmental Protection Agency has cited nutrients pollution as one of the most problematic environment issue. Nitrates are a common ingredient in fertilizer and can be seriously harmful to the babies if present in drinking water. USA Geological Survey report in 2010 found that 64% of shallow wells studied in urban and agriculture areas had high nitrates level. Excess nutrients can stunt aquatic plant growth and kill off fish. Such algal blooms can create dead zones at those seen in the Gulf Mexico, which has been attributed to nitrogen fertilizer used in animal waste. The waste products of livestock along with chemical used for farming get washed away during rainstorm. Waterborne disease such as cholera, typhoid, and dysentery and end up in rivers and water supplies. About 500 million tons of manure are produced every year for animal feeding operation, which is stripped the sewage that human release into the environment. Both are commonly supplied livestock and subsequently exceeded in the environment. Studies have found hormones remain active for months after excretion, traveling for miles downstream and affect reproduction in fish. Antibiotics that make into waterway can contribute to the proliferation of antibiotic resistant bacteria. Heavy metals, zinc and copper are often used to boost growth in cattle and poultry. Excreted in their waste such metals and other including lead, chromium, and arsenic end up in soil fertilizer, which runs off into water source. Heavy metal exposure can lead to kidney, nervous system and cardiovascular problems. Salts, sodium, potassium, calcium sulfate, bicarbonates, nitrates and other salts in manure can make it into waterway, increasing silently alerting ecosystem and making drinking water unsafe. Rain and melted snow moving above and through the ground take any pollutants with them. Runoff from farms, cities, suburban and rural homes, parking lots and forests can contain waters for downstream chemicals to kill weeds or lawns, and even road salts to melt ice and roads can end up in the water. Store water related runoff can increase sediments in navigable water ways and pollute drinking supplies. In fact, according to the Commission on Ocean Policy, an inch of rain over a 1 acre paved parking lot can produce 16 times more runoff than the same amount on a natural meadows the same size. Industrial operation often drain waste into fresh water supply. Toxic chemical increase the number of minerals in change the color of and cause the temperature change in water. Pollutants such as mercury, asbestos, nitrates and lead may be released. Major process contribute to the problems include mining, crushing rock, extracting coal and minerals, and other activities release harmful chemical and toxins including sulfides from rocks and metal waste that mix with water. Fossil fuel burning produce such as with toxic chemical that mixes with water vapor